Well, looks like Farmer Jones has lost the mudguard off his tractor. Anyway, that's by and by. And here's those two skiving rascals, pontificating as usual. Oh, it's hard work. We need help. Coal and ash all moved by hand. How about something better then? And, in the fullness of time, here's the gang to do something about it. Noisy old spot mine. All those trains rattling through. There you are. Second-hand crane, nicked from the Milton town yard. That should keep the blighters quiet. But of course, you have to be joking. They'm still moaning. Oh, still got to shovel all that ash. Meanwhile, the railway runs on, oblivious. So, there you have it. Still a couple of lazy old rascals.